In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect the steering wheel to Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using any compatible steering wheel on your Xbox One is extremely simple. You will be able to play any games that natively support steering wheel input, such as Forza Horizon 5, and all that you have to do is first connect the steering wheel to the actual console. Most steering wheel models will be connected with a USB cable. So plug the USB cable from the steering wheel to one of the available USB ports on your Xbox One. So depending on the model of your console, you will find ports on the back or on the front. Just look for any open USB ports and connect the steering wheel in there. Once the steering wheel has been connected to the USB port, it should give you a notification telling you that the steering wheel has been detected and it is good to go. To double check this, verify the in-game settings. So like I mentioned earlier, if you launch a compatible game such as Forza Horizon 5 that has native steering wheel support, you will be able to go over to the game settings menu, choose an option related to the controls or steering wheel, and change the input from there. Once the steering wheel input has been selected, you will be able to see it on the active input device list, and you will be able to configure the controls. So you can customize individual settings to your preferences, such as the sensitivity, dead zones, and button mapping. Once you change all of those, they will be reflected during game play, and you can enable other things like force feedback and pedal calibration. Now, if you are playing a title that doesn't have native steering wheel input support, such as GTA 5, then sadly that is nothing that you can do. On a game such as Grand Theft Auto 5, even if you have the steering wheel properly connected and detected on your console, regardless of the input that you try to do, nothing will happen. But most games that have an emphasis on steering wheel, driving, and racing will have native support. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect the steering wheel to Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.